Genesis 1, verse 6 through 8. And God said, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, and let it separate the waters from the waters." And God made the expanse and separated the waters that were under the expanse from the waters that were above the expanse. And it was so. And God called the expanse heaven. And there was evening and there was morning the second day. May God, God Almighty, and Yahweh add to the blessing and reading of the word. Now, Rachel Clara's commentary. Yeah, God said, and it was. This is what he said. Let there be an expanse in the midst of the water. So there was like a bladder or lungs in the midst of the waters. And he said, let it separate the waters from the waters. So he was separating water. If you know anything about water, it's very hard to separate very easily. God did do this a few times as he made the universe. No, Lucifer made hell with God. Hell is made for Lucifer and his fallen beings, his fallen angels. Yes, and I believe Lucifer made it and God approved it. Like, yeah, it's good enough. And it's not in this time and space. It's below us. If you want a war, go there. Leave this time and space to its peaceful tranquility that Jesus Christ, the Messiah, the Son of the Most High God, brought in over 2,000 years ago. Your karma will go a lot easier. Anyways, back to the point. So, this happened a few times, the separating of waters. And God made the expanse, which was in the midst of the water, and separated the waters that were under the expanse from the waters that were above the expanse. You can study the human body and some things might return to you in remembrances. Or maybe, oh my God, your muse is upon you. Or divine insight, yes. And it was so. I love those words. And it was so. God said, and it was so. He spoke, and it was. That's why he's God, and we are not. And God called the expanse heaven. And there was evening, and there was morning the second day. There's more than one heaven. There is the sky or our solar system. Then there's the universe, and there's eternal heaven. There's different types of heavens. Some people say there's 3 heavens. Some people say there's 7 heavens. And no, the universe below us, eternal hell, is not heaven. It is hell. And if you like Lucifer, you'll like it. If not, you'll have a hard time with it. That's it. Toodaloo. Have a great day.